of Islamic Cooperation has underscored the importance of taking care of the cultural heritage of Islamic countries and peoples. Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi has termed Pakistan's re-election to the UN Human Rights Council as an important diplomatic achievement. Lebanon and Israel start talks on the disputed maritime border, a UN source said. India reports 63,000 new coronavirus cases. Azerbaijan hits missile launch sites in Armenia.